Thank you, Mr. Chairman, members of the committee. My name is Beaman Floyd. I represent the Texas Coalition for Affordable Insurance Solutions. We're a trade coalition here in Texas made up of some of your larger insurers that include State Farm, Farmers, Allstate, Texas Farm Bureau, USAA, and Nationwide Insurance. I think that what the groundwork that you heard from the Commissioner of Insurance is very accurate. Texas is a very high expense place to do insurance. We've had a big increase in frequency and severity of claims over the past several years. We've also, of course, suffered the inflation that has been part of the overall economic issue in the United States. I would like to observe, and this is important in the context of your constituents and their experience with us and increasing premiums, that insurance tends to be a lagging indicator in inflation. In other words, the price of raw materials goes up, then the price of an automobile will go up, and then the price to insure that automobile will go up as those higher values in the marketplace go through being bought and start getting wrecked and incurring claims. We think with regard to the regulatory regime that we're under here in Texas, it's very instructive to look at the long-term results that you've had. We put the file and use system into place here in 2003. We provided the committee with loss ratios over time. That is combined loss ratios, our direct claim payment and expenses relative to our premiums. In homeowners, it runs over the course of time, no matter how far back you cast, between like 100 and 102%. So homeowners insurance actually over time under file and use have lost money in terms of their prices compared to the claims and expenses that they're paying out. It runs right about 99% with auto. So insurance companies have actually operated in a very narrow profit and loss space over time in Texas under file and use, which means that you might think as regulators you're hitting the sweet spot, or as the legislature you're hitting the sweet spot. Insurers might think that you're hitting it a little bit too well, because it's easy to lose money in the Texas market if you're not very, very careful. We think the availability of insurance is paramount. We have seen other major states where availability has become a terrible crisis, California and Florida principally. Texas has actually weathered better because of your elasticity and regulation.
Thank you.